Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a very important hiring from the Amazon. Amazon is back with very hot hiring alert. And if you're someone with strong SQL, excellent problem-solving skills, then this role might just launch your analytics career. Today we are diving into a business analyst support opportunity at Amazon India, Bengaluru, under the CoBRA team. This is basically the team on which you have to work on. You have to basically work for the corporate inside the Amazon. So this role combines data strategy, business insights, and high impact decision making. So I'll be breaking down everything you need to know from the responsibilities, eligibility criteria, how to apply, and share some of the bonus tips to make your application stand out. And hey, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily job updates because we are posting three important hiring, especially on this particular YouTube channel daily. And also turn on notification bell so you never miss out any opportunity from our end. So now let's dive into the details. So as you can see, the designation is of a business analyst, and the company is Amazon. They are hiring for their Bangalore locations in India and for their sales, advertising, and account management team, basically. So let's understand a little bit about the Amazon. So Amazon, as we all know, that is a global e-commerce and tech powerhouse, and their Bengaluru office is home to top tier tech and analytics team, and also it's one of the biggest campus along with the Hyderabad and Chennai. And the CoBRA team, cost of business reporting and analytics team, supports smart data-driven decisions that directly impact how products are placed, priced, and sold on Amazon.in. So if you are looking to work in data analysis, business intelligence, or digital transformations, then this is your moment. So let's understand more about the job overview. It's basically a hybrid opportunities at that you're gonna get at Bengaluru office, and you will also play a key role in analyzing business processes, writing SQL queries, manipulating data workflows, and solving complex challenges that affect millions of Amazon customers and sellers. So this is all going to be your kind of roles or about the role. And now let's directly jump to the key responsibility sections that they have mentioned over here, as you can see. So your key responsibilities at Amazon is going to be something like writing SQL and ETL queries using platforms like Datanet, working with large data sets and compile actionable insights, building and defining KPIs to support better decision making, solving business problems by understanding the root cause, and collaborating across teams like product, program, and engineering, along with driving stakeholder adoptions for new tools and dashboards. And yeah, essentially you will be the data bridge between the business and the engineering. So these all are going to be your roles and responsibilities once you join Amazon as business analyst. So now let's discuss the qualification and skills required for this role. So they have mentioned the basic qualification, that is the minimum requirement to be eligible for this role, which is again a bachelor degree in any field. If you are bachelor in any field, you are eligible. Plus, you must have the strong SQL and Excel skill. You must be very good at Excel and SQL. Advanced Excel will be preferred, of course. And of course, you must be fluent in English communication along both written and verbal, because for business analyst role, communication is the key. So you must be best at communication. Preferred qualification they have mentioned, as you can see, that you must be flexible for shift timings, and also if you have a previous experience in analytics, BI, or operations, then you'll be given preferences. Plus, comfort with ambiguity and fast moving environments. You must be comfortable working with fast paced environment. And if you are a person who is detail oriented, data savvy, and can think critically, then you are already 80% there. So why this role matters? So basically, this isn't just any analyst kind of role, normal analyst role, right? It's a high impact. You will be optimizing seller and customer experience on India's number one e-commerce platform. Your insights could improve pricing strategies, product recommendations, and even somehow customers navigate the Amazon site. So plus, this being the one of the top role here. So this is also the chance where you can get the your the kind of learning, the kind of exposure that you are expecting to get. So this was all about that, and I will try to give you some tips to improve your chances. Try adding some project related to SQL, Excel, experience in data cleaning, querying, and reporting, and any internship experience or coursework in both data visualization dashboards. Plus, bonus is try mentioning some experience working in fast-paced environment. So these are all kind of experience that will actually help you in getting shortlisted. So how you can apply? Just go to the direct link that we have mentioned in descriptions. We have mentioned the direct link to apply in the description. Go check it out and apply as soon as possible. Let's understand the benefit that is offered by Amazon and fastly concluded. So Amazon offers amazing perks, competitive salary, flexible work model, career development programs, and inclusive culture with a strong support system. With the global growth opportunities, you'll be a part of a team where your ideas and data directly shape the business. So if you have got the skills, don't wait. This is one of the best analyst roles in India right now. Go and apply, and if you need any help with the resume template, SQL projects, and interview preparations, then I have got you covered. We are also coming with in-depth data analytics series on our other channel, which is First Tech. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, do check it out from the description and subscribe to our channel as well. You can even join our WhatsApp and Telegram communities for more and more job updates and free courses as well, along with that we provide, especially from Udemy side. So do join our community, do subscribe to our other channel, which is First Tech, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to Forge Onwards, because we are bringing 3 important hiring especially on this particular channel, and hit that bell icon for daily job updates, because you keep getting notification once we upload our video. And also also you can like the video if you think that this actually helped you. And this was all about this wonderful opportunity. Don't wait, apply today. And all the best with your application. That's it from my end for this time, and I will see you in the next video.